Weekly Outlook. Super Tuesday could hit the FTSE and asset managers report Monday to March. UK construction, manufacturing and services PMIs. Germany, European Union and US manufacturing PMIs. Greencoat Renewables final results Tuesday 3 March. Super Tuesday in the US. The Democratic primaries will get into full swing when a number of states, including Texas and California, vote for the nominee to go against Donald Trump in the U.S. election later this year. Share Center senior analyst Ian Forrest reckons markets would be reassured if Joe Biden, Pete Buttigieg or Mike Bloomberg emerge as a clear front-runner, but may wobble if Bernie Sanders maintains or extends his lead. The UK market often follows what happens in the US, especially the larger companies in the FTSE 100 index, so it might fall back if Sanders continues to do well, but investors shouldn't panic just yet as there's still a long way to go, Forrest said. Ashtead Group Q3 2020 earnings analysts at the Share Center said the market will be focused mainly on the performance in the key US market, but will also be taking note of any comment on the UK operations. Those are a smaller part of the business, but in December the company warned on challenging conditions in the UK and said it was to take action to deal with it. The shares have brushed that off in recent times, reaching a new record high in the past 2 weeks. EU unemployment rate Wednesday 4 March. Legal and General Group Q4 2019 earnings. The group reported a good set of half-year numbers as operating profits grew by 11%, and with senior management saying the retirement business is strong, we can expect some of this to carry on into the second half, said the Share Center. There may have been some impetus in the final quarter with funds flowing in following the end of the Brexit impasse and decisive general election result lifting some market uncertainty. Investors would expect assets under management to set new records. Lloyds Banking Group final results. ChinaCation Service PMI Sentiment Survey. Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management investment manager and international equity analyst Dan Smith noted the service sector has grown in significance and now accounts for more than half of the Chinese economy. Confidence among service sector firms will therefore provide a vital gauge into the impact that the coronavirus crisis has had on economic activity. With cities on lockdown, employees banned from the workplace or advised to work from home, and restaurants, shopping malls and cinemas all closed, it looks a near certainty that service sector sentiment will plunge this week. UK market/SIPS services PMI Smith said with each week that passes there appears to be more evidence of a Boris bounce taking hold, especially in the housing and jobs markets, as well as signs of a rebound in consumer spending from January's retail sales figures. For more on this story, visit the news article link.